Okay, going to go over how to match fonts here. So I'm going to try it up here with the Kansas font. You got to select an area, and then you're going to go up to type and say match font. And it's going to start looking, and it's looking at the letter shape, things like that, and it'll eventually spit out some fonts. Okay. While it's doing that, I'm going to insert the other piece of this puzzle. Quiet, please. Which is in Adobe Premiere, that you need to go where you can go find fonts once it recommends them. Okay. You click the F in the top left, and then browse more fonts, and it gets you to this web page that is part of your Adobe license for school that gives you all of these fonts. So when we get back to Photoshop, it has spat out a list, and it says these things are a match. They aren't a good match because that's weird, but so Calder Grit Shadow, I look here, I see that's an Adobe font. Now I can go back to, actually it's back to the web, and I can type Calder Grit. And there it is. And I will find Calder Dark Grit Shadow. There we go. Calder Dark Grit. Those are the ones it recommends. I can add the font. I can add the whole family. Remember, you're trying to conserve hard drive space, so choose wisely, but do what you want. You can always delete them later.